What's going on, YouTube family? Coming at you with a quick stir fry. You can prepare yourself a stir fry that's simple and easy using whatever vegetables or whatever ingredients you have. So for my stir fry today, I found some vegetables that I hadn't used in the refrigerator from other recipes. So as you see here, I've got some red bell pepper, I've chopped up some celery, and then this is zucchini that I've chopped up, and I'll pan over the camera. And on my cutting board, I personally like andouille's sausage. You can do chicken sausage, whatever you want, whatever you like, but that's actually my protein. And what you don't see right now is that I have my mushrooms actually in the oven broiling on low. I've got about 50 seconds and they will be done, but I will show you what the mushrooms look like, and then I will compile all the ingredients, put it all together, and show you guys what a great stir fry, simple and easy, all of you can make it. Stay tuned, be back. And we're back, YouTube family. Here are my broiled mushrooms. As you can see here, I'm not gonna touch the skillet, is really hot. One of the pro tips that I will share with you all, if you get you some cast iron skillets or baking pans, cast iron really holds in heat really well. It gets really hot, and then it really infuses and chars and sears your fruit, your vegetables, your meats really well. So definitely invest and get you whatever brand of cast iron skillets and baking pans that you want. And so what I'll do here is I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my induction cooker. It's very hot, and I've got that on. I'm gonna turn it down low and slow to about level 3. So that's about low medium or low medium, or somewhere in between there is what you want to do. And then I'm gonna add some olive oil to my mushrooms because I don't want them to dry out. They're doing really well, as you can see there. And then what I want to do is add just a little bit more flavor back to mine. Usually I would add probably some pink salt, but today I'm actually gonna add a little bit of adobo by Goya, and I'll add a little bit there just for flavor, because I still like the earthiness of the good mushroom. And then what we'll start doing immediately is I'm gonna add my andouille sausage, because I want to get that good protein flavor infused in there with my mushrooms. And then I'm gonna take my spatula or mixing utensil. I'm gonna start mixing it up. And again, I'm cooking it low and slow. And that's what you guys want to do, is definitely just take your time. Enjoy your food. You know, it's almost like really loving and caring about somebody. Mix everything together and take care of everybody, people. Because remember, you've always got to love somebody. And if you don't have anybody to love, then guess what? Love yourself, because we all love you. So never ever feel like you're by yourself, people. Always remember that. That's my public service announcement. And so as you can see here, it looks really well. You can hear the sizzling sound. So listen to the sizzle. Oh yeah, folks. That sizzle is going really well. And I'm just going to keep mixing. The reason you want to keep mixing is because I don't want my mushrooms to burn. I've broiled them so they've got a good caramelization to them, but at the same time, I'm just really warming up and cooking my sausage, and a little bit of seasoning that I use is just really infused well. And now with the type of chicken sausage and andouille sausage that I have, I don't really have to have mine cooked so hard that you can't taste any of the flavor. And if you look here, what I'm doing is I'll push all of my meat over to one side of the pan. Why did I do that? Is because now I'm going to start adding my vegetables. And I'm going to start off with my zucchini. I'm just going to add some zucchini to this. Take your time. Add the zucchini, let it fall on in there. I got a lot of zucchini, because it's what I like. And if you see some red bell peppers fall in there, it's okay because it's always going to go in there. And then I'm going to start mixing it back to my mustard. And again, you want to make sure you cook your food low and slow. And this way you can kind of control the process as best as you can. And I tell you what, since I got all this love going on in my stir fry, I'm just going to add a little bit more olive oil. I like olive oil. Add a little bit more olive oil. And it's up to you to determine how much olive oil or how less olive oil you like in your food. Because remember, this is your dish. You are not trying to impress anyone but yourself. So have confidence, people. Believe in yourself. It's all about you. Now as you hear that seasoning down, I'm going to reach up in my cabinet and I'm going to grab a little bit of black pepper. I'm going to add just a little bit of black pepper. You can add whatever kind of pepper you want. This is by McCormick and it's actually the pure ground. Some people like fine. It's up to you. Add a little bit of black pepper. Now that I got the black pepper going, I'm going to mix it up just a little bit more for you folks. Got that going, you hear those juicy sizzling all around in there. Yeah, looking good. So again, I'm going to push some to the side because I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of my vegetables to it. So here goes my celery. I'm going to dump it in here, folks. Hopefully I'm not blocking your view where you can't see this, but I'm going to add my celery in. As I have my celery, then I'm going to add the rest of my red bell pepper. And the thing about pickles will actually absorb all kinds of flavor that's in your pan. So, again, you season to your taste and incorporate everything back in here. This is the way I like to do mine. Kind of adjusted the camera so you can see there. And then I'll tell you what I'm going to do now, because I've got the caramelization that I want, but now with mine, I really want to steam those flavors in. So let me grab a top. You keep watching the food. Food is cooking there. I'm going to take my top and seal it in. Now, when you put a top, a lid, you are actually steaming. So it's going to form that condensation around the top, and that moisture is what I need. I'm going to let this kind of cook for about 2, maybe 3 minutes. And that's doneness for me. Definitely will be doneness for me. So I'm going to stop talking and just let you guys take a look at the finished product as soon as I return. Be back in a moment. And here we are, folks. It is all complete. This is a delicious stir fry, again with andouille sausage, with zucchini, red bell peppers, and then I chopped up some celery. And so this is a good old bowl of come on and get some. So I hope you like this content. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out the algorithm. And I hope to bring you all a lot more content. And always remember, believe in yourself and always cook for yourself. Peace.